Hello everyone. Actually, I was walking through my village, so I thought to capture some beautiful moments for you. Here, I felt that there is a sense of peace and calmness surrounding me. As you all know, I live in city. However, city offers us a lot of opportunities such as many hospitals, top-notch schools. There are many other facilities in city. But apart from that, in villages, we can see there is a peace and calmness surrounding us. Known-wise, it's a noise-free area, and in cities, people live a fast-paced and dynamic life, right? People have hectic schedule, right? They eat some outside food, but in villages the food is free from adulteration, right? So I feel blessed that I visit in my village twice a year, where I can enjoy, capture some beautiful moments, right? You can see the greenery around me. That's wow. People are really hardworking here. Even though they work entire day, but they don't feel, sluggish after doing, after putting efforts entire day. Right after putting efforts entire day, they are very hospitable. They feel delighted that we are from city, but I actually salute them that how they work hard entire day. Obviously they have many works at their home, right? They are early birds. They can enjoy these beautiful moments, right? That is why they feel very fresh. There is no laziness in them. They meet with everyone with kindness, and they feel very happy. So yeah, I enjoyed this moment. So you can also see the nature, greenery surrounding me, right? Before some time, there were a lot of ducks, but now they are disappeared. If they were here, I will definitely show you. They were enjoying here. Okay, so tell me, do you enjoy city life or village life? Bye bye.
Look at them working in the scorching heat. Their hard work gives us flour, pearls, vegetable, fruits, many more things because they are working hard not only themselves but for everyone. See fresh air, calm vibes, and greenery here. It feels so relaxing and alive.